What is going on, guys? You can call me Modica, and today I have a 2025 Bronco Badlands two-door, which is actually a lot less common than the four-door Broncos, but definitely just as cool. This one here is in a carbonized gray color, along with carbonized gray 17-inch aluminum wheels. This car also has a 2.3 liter four-cylinder EcoBoost engine that makes about 300 horsepower. This car, as you can see, also has the hardtop option. It also has tow hip hooks in the back and also in the front. Gotta say, the two-door option is definitely a looker. I think personally, I like the two doors better. It just has a good shape to it. But back around in the front, this also does have a nice bar up here along with your hooks, which looks really badass. Going into the trunk here, you have your swing door here. Just give it a little push, and you could also just bop that open to have a nice big open space. This stuff here is optional stuff from the factory, like storage. But under here, you got more storage, and you got a jack and fuel nozzle in case of emergencies, which is really nice. You also right here have two speakers, right there and right there. And of course you got your bar for if you took off the whole roof. Yeah, at least you got some kind of sturdiness. This is mandatory, guys. But this is what the trunk looks like. Going to the interior, your door panel is a little different than the full sizes. It has a nice glossy piece right here, which definitely makes it look better. On both doors, you have a nice little net that can hold your water bottles or whatever storage you may have. The steering wheel is heated and the seats are heated in the Badlands. You got your nice screen. You got some of your wheel options up there, which is very nice. You also have auxiliary power options if you wanted some extra stuff put in your Bronco. This car also is equipped with a 360-degree camera system. I will show you when we're sitting in the car. But let me show you how to get into the back. There is a little lever right here. You push and pull, and this slides, and you can hop on in the back. It's definitely not the spacious, is that a word, guys? It's definitely not the biggest back seat, but it's a two-door Bronco. What do you need? It's just basically throw your kids in there and have some fun. But it's kind of cool with the nice big wide back window. To put it back, you kind of just give it a push, and there you go. So sitting in the Bronco, let's start her on up. Gives you a nice little boot up screen and all. So let me show you guys the gauge cluster options, which there is a few of them. This is the calm screen. It just gives you a calm view, speedometer and mileage and such. As we go, fuel economy, driver assistance. I'll just go through here so you can see the different options. Trips, off-road, tire pressure, pitch and roll, gauges. There's a good amount of things in the Bronco. This screen right here, you got your audio. Okay, that was pretty loud. Got your phone, connect that. You got navigation, apps, wireless, Android Auto and CarPlay, and you got YouTube, so you can watch when you're parked. YouTube is like a big thing for me, so that's really cool to have. You got all your good settings that you can mess around with, and features. You got your driver's assistance options. You can turn some things on and off. You also have your owner's manual, zone lighting. Zone lighting is pretty cool. Essentially, you can just turn on where you want the lights to go, because there's some lights on the mirrors and such. It's a very cool thing that the Broncos have. Now that I have shown you basically the entire interior of the 25 two-door Badlands Bronco, how about we take this thing for a drive?